Hey guys, there's a little thing I'm going to share with you guys of what I'm doing on my layout. Now, I'm doing, usually I'm doing another station scene, and it's going to be based on the old New South Wales station scene platform on a new section. Now, because I have a bit of a time restraint, and being at the hobby shop yesterday, when I get all my fine detail scratch building stuff, because I went to go and get some plastic for me clapboards for the inside of my new buildings, particularly the pub. What I got from him, because I did from last time, was ready-made platforms. Now, he's selling them as a kit. I think I only paid about $14, $15 for his three. It's actually a 5-piece kit. You get 3 of these and 2 end pieces. Now they're based and designed on the old platforms of New South Wales, where you've got the concrete edge. Tops are usually at the time, and even today, they still use a asphalt or bitumen surface. The underneath you got timber pylons or somewhat concrete with a wooden backing. There used to be timbers, or they also used a material that was like fibrous cement or cement, similar to our what they use today, Hebel blocks. At least they weren't made out of asbestos, but they were concrete. And that was basically to keep the dirt in and raise the platform. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, before I paint them up, just show you how they look. They join up together nicely. They've got a bit of a indentation here, as you see, a gap here, and they just butt up very nicely. Look, I'm trying to glue them all together, make up a rake, and it's finished. Don't mess around. The height's pretty well correct for its era, with using the cork, not the spongy underlay, using the actual cork edgy underlay in your ballast. And then also same deal with the ends. They only fit in one particular way, like so. Look, it's a bit hard, my hand's giving up on me slowly. So you put the ends on like so, and you've got a finished platform. Don't have to mess around and muck around, and it's basic to 3 of these will give me, by the looks of it, a small engine, or yeah, give me a 48 class with 2 FA cars on the back. FA cars, you'll see what I mean. The people from that model Australia, New South Wales, I know what I'm talking about. Sorry folks, but I will share it as we go along. So I'm going to get painted up and I'll show the installation on my layout. Sorry about the late folks, but I was going to show you how the platform looks before I pull it into place. I haven't weathered it yet. I will weather it later on down the track, once once I get the partial front of the station building on it, and then I'm going to wet around it, and I still need to put some lights on it, so I'll work it up around there. So, this is how it's come up. Brown on the bottom. I know this light doesn't actually show the true colour. There you go. Give it a dark wooden colour. We kept the edge as a concrete with the black top to it. So that's the platform, and I'm going to put it in place now and show you guys what the finished product looks like. So there you go, we've got the platform into place. Still need to put a station building or waiting room up the front, and that shall be complete. So hope you guys like this idea. Until the next shot, see you all soon. Bye.